Was Phil Lynott a good guitarist? When we ask if Phil Lynott was a good guitarist, we need to clarify his musical role. Lynott is best known as the co-founder and lead singer of Thin Lizzy, an iconic Irish rock band. His primary instrument was the bass guitar, not the regular guitar. Lynott's bass playing was distinctive and influential, characterized by a pick-based approach that made his bass lines stand out. This style contributed to the unique sound of Thin Lizzy, setting them apart in the rock scene. Lynott's contributions to music were deeply rooted in Irish culture. Many of his songs reflected themes of Celtic heritage, showcasing his connection to Irish history. His ability to craft memorable melodies and lyrics helped the band gain worldwide recognition. Songs like The Boys Are Back in Town and Jailbreak are prime examples of his songwriting talent. These tracks not only highlight his skills as a songwriter but also showcase the melodic nature of his bass playing. While Lynott was not celebrated as a guitarist, his role in Thin Lizzy was crucial. He often collaborated with the band's lead guitarists, creating intricate harmonies that became a hallmark of their sound. The interplay between Lynott's bass and the guitars added depth to their music, making it rich and engaging. His influence on rock music is undeniable, and he remains a significant figure in Irish music history. For those traveling in Ireland, a visit to Dublin can provide a glimpse into Lynott's legacy. The city is filled with historical landmarks and a vibrant music scene that inspired his work. You can find tributes to Lynott around the city, including statues and murals that celebrate his contributions to music. Exploring these sites can give you a deeper appreciation for his impact on Irish culture. In summary, while Phil Lynott may not have been a guitarist, his skills as a bassist and songwriter were exceptional. His unique style and ability to create memorable music have left a lasting legacy in the world of rock. Whether you are a fan of Thin Lizzy or simply interested in Irish history, Lynott's story is an important part of the musical narrative in Ireland.